tubbers, have you ever wondered how long your hot tub is going to last? In this video, I'm going to go into all the details on how long hot tubs last and the things that you can do to actually make your hot tub last longer. I'll see you in just a second. Hey hot tubbers, welcome back. I'm super excited you're here, and the whole goal of this channel is for me to help you become a happy hot tub owner. And to do that, there's lots of things I do on this channel, and one of the things that I do is I give you a free hot tub user's guide. That'll be in the description down below. That's totally free to you, and that will help you make your hot tub last longer, which is one of the reasons that we're here today. And you know what, guys? I'm here to help you just enjoy your hot tub. So one of the questions that I do get on the sales floor very, very often is, how long is a hot tub going to last? And the true answer to that question is how well are you going to take care of it? I have lots and lots and lots of hot tubs that have been out there that are 15, 20, even 25. In fact, I have one on my showroom floor that's from 1987 and it still runs. I won't resell it at this point, but I do have them and they do last that long. But there are some keys that you need to do to make sure that your hot tub does last that long. One of which, probably the number one thing and the worst thing that can ever happen to your hot tub, is you let it freeze. And I have a whole playlist up here of things that you guys can do to make sure that your hot tub doesn't freeze. But those of us that live in the Midwest, it's really important to take care of your hot tub. Make sure your filters are clean. Make sure that the water level is at the proper temperature. Make sure that your water level is at the proper height. Make sure you have plenty of water in your hot tub. And then just make sure that you're checking your hot tub and it's at the proper temperature. At least once a week or so, you just want to go out there and check your hot tub. So that's the number one thing that will ruin a hot tub, is letting it freeze. The other things that will ruin a hot tub is water chemistry. And there's a lot of people out there, especially, you know, we get people that are doing floater systems, the customers that are on bromine and that type of thing. And even your salt systems, people will be like, oh, everything's great, the water's clear, it looks fantastic. In a case like that, and they aren't testing it, your water's actually, most of that time, is getting super acidic. And when it's getting super acidic, your water looks absolutely fantastic. It's clear, it looks good, doesn't always smell good, but it looks good, and you think, oh, everything's great. It's actually really, really hard on your hot tub. So anytime your alkalinity gets below 40 part per million, and that's actually a little low for my likings, but anytime your alkalinity gets below 40 part per million, or that pH is below 7.6, you're actually causing damage to your hot tub. You're also causing damage to your body, but you are causing damage to your hot tub. So it's really important to keep those two numbers are probably the most important numbers. You want to keep your alkalinity between 80 and 120, and you want to keep your pH at 7.6. Now, those of us that live in the Midwest and we have really hard water, I mean like the liquid limestone coming out of the faucet, you have the complete opposite situation going on in those situations. So what happens on those is you got that really hard water, and then scale is forming, and it's plugging up the lines, and it's scaling up on the heater, and it's causing a lot of damage to the hot tub that way. So it's really important that you get that alkalinity down where it needs to be, and you're going to do that with pH decreaser, and it's going to take many, many days. I have a video up here that just talks about how to balance your water. It's much easier to balance water that is too low in alkalinity than it is to balance water that is too high in alkalinity. But as far as damage to your hot tub, they are about the same. So it's really important that you get that alkalinity in line and you get that pH in line. You get those in line, your hot tub's going to last you 15 to 20 years for sure. Don't let it freeze. Keep your alkalinity and pH in line, and it's going to last you, and you're going to love it, and you're going to use it, and it's just worth a lot. So guys, I have a ton of videos over here. If you want to see more, just make sure you check them out right over here. And remember, I love you here at the Hot Tub Lady, and keep making life epic.